landowners here gave 15 acres to the Batu Naramba Youth Club for this farm project. And we are very thankful to the landowners for giving that 15 acres. It's all in black and white, it's in writing. That is one of the requirements of ministry to secure land document in terms of security, because government is going to fund, and then we would like to see that there is a security on the land as well. So we are very thankful to the landowners for giving these 15 acres to the youths of this village. In 2017, the same youth club was given assistance in terms of canteen. And today, with that income generating project, they have done this backpackers accommodation. And this is exactly what we want the youths to do, to engage themselves and to create employment. And this is one very good example of the youths in this village for others to follow. With the program that we have launched today, the farm project, that is also very important for this village. Apart from supplying the vegetables to the village, 4 villages, I'm told that now they're going to supply the vegetables to the boarding school, which is situated here. So, all in all, the way I see, this is a very interesting program for our ministry and for the youths of this village, for coming up such a program that will benefit the village itself.